Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Subway Surfer with Facebook Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Subway Surfer. Once you open, you simply need to click on the gear icon in the top right. And here you can see two options: Connect, Play Games Connect and Facebook Connect. Click on Facebook Connect and now you can see that it is connecting and it will be shown, and then you need to click on continue and turn on all activity and click on continue. So now it is connecting with your Facebook account. As you can see that it is now connected, and you can get a 5,000 coins reward as well by connecting with Facebook. So this is our process by which you can connect Subway Surfer to Facebook Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.